So today's video I am going to talk about Tenant Allow block list. There is a new feature has Microsoft released. I don't know when it was released, but I came across today and just wanted to show you. There is a difference between Tenant Allow block list and the anti-spam policy inbound filtering. Like whenever you bypass any domain or email sender. So what is the basic difference between these two? Tenant Allow block list, you can see that is under the thread policy when you log into the security.microsoft.com. Under the thread policy, you will see there is a Tenant Allow block list. So this is a new feature. It was not there previously. This option was not there. When you select your ad, now you see there is a allow list. Previously it was only the block, and the allow list we used to configure through the submission, and with that portal we used to do allow, but now with the allow list is here. Okay, so allowing any sender or any domain, you can allow this from here and remove after the see. It is not the permanent allow list. Okay, the Microsoft will take a time. Microsoft will allow that sender for these many days, and then Microsoft see what is issue with that sender, and if it is finds okay, then it will allow make a changes in their end and allow that sender. If the genuine, it will block again after the 45 days. But you can, for a specific period at least, you can do this, and this is the very I would recommend this is the right way to allow someone temporarily and see if the Microsoft sees any difference, and you buy some time to figure out how to fix that issue. If it is a genuine incoming email or incoming domain and you want to allow your partner company, partner organization, then you choose this option to allow for specific days, and meanwhile you can troubleshoot what is happening. And you can see here is allow only skip bulk spam verdict and high confidence phishing from the machine learning. Okay, so it does not allow everything. Even like if it is a genuine email, if it is a genuine spam email and it has the URL or the files that is malicious, it will block. Okay, so security first, that is a principle, Microsoft principle, I guess. Default secure is principle. Okay, so it will block, that is by default. And yeah, so this is allow. You can do this. You can put your email ID or the domain separated by comma, multiple entries, 20 max in one, and then you can allow that thing for a number of days and this. So what is a tenant allow block list? So purpose is it's kind of the global override mechanism. Okay, so it's allow or block specific domain email address across your entire tenant immediately. So there is no, you cannot apply this policy to specific sender, specific user or group. Okay, so it will block or allow to company wide. Okay, entire tenant. This is the higher precedence. Okay, so if sender is blocked here, none of the policy is going to override this. This is the final. Okay, so you apply any rule, it is the highest. This is the main, right? And then you cannot add this permanent allow. Block list, you can have a permanent, you can block something permanently, but allow is not, there is no option to set as a permanent. Okay, so example, your partner is want to allow, partner domain you want to allow, then it won't filter that email and it will come straight to your tenant. It's bypass everything. It's like kind of the VIP pass. Your email, incoming email, get the VIP pass, no scanning, nothing. It's directly to the inbox. If you allow from this, if you block, it's straight block before even connect to the Office 365. It will drop the email right there. So it's not going to scan the email by spam filter or the phishing thing and everything, whatever the mechanism Microsoft has. It's not going to, that emails will not go through that thing. Okay, whereas another policy, that is anti-spam. Anti-spam is kind of a filter your emails. It is a smart and flexible policy. Okay, you can apply that policy to the specific user. You can apply that policy to specific group, and then it can make a decision where your email want to go. Like if it is a spam, how you're going to treat that email, whether you want to delete or you want to send that email to the quarantine, or you want to send to the junk folder or the delete folder, right? So this is the flexibility anti-spam inbound policy offers. Okay, you want to adjust the sensitivity, you can adjust the sensitivity of the emails and whatnot. Like it's based on you. There is a lot of options you will get here. You can see I'm not going through the all this, but you will get the flexibility with the anti-spam inbound policy, and you can make this decision, spam message action. You can see, you can go through this and make an adjustment as per your requirement. And beauty of this, you can apply this policy to specific users and specific groups. Key difference between these two, you can see on the screen. Tenant wide scope is a tenant wide override, and you can target to the group and targeted users. It gets tenant wide gets a top priority and lower than the tenant allow block list. It may bypass the spam filter but still goes through the spam filter. Global allow block customize and to handle the spam. This is the main difference between these two policy. Which one to use when use tenant allow block list when you are absolutely sure you want to allow or block a domain or the particular sender anywhere and immediately. Okay, and second is use anti-spam policy when you want to customize and handle quarantine and spam, allow newsletters but scan them. Then the anti-spam policy is the best for you. So yeah, so this is Amol. You are watching how it works. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot. Thank you again.